Hi, this is Bob Ventresca coming to you from ISE 2020. We're with thinklogical, a Belden brand. We provide a very unique solution in the AV market. We specialize in high performance, highly secure video distribution and KVM systems used primarily in mission critical applications such as government, defense, command and control facilities. It's a very unique market that has some very unique requirements. It's one that we've spent an enormous amount of time and money investing in developing solutions that meet these very restrictive government requirements. In a typical AV circumstance, there usually isn't as much requirement for security of the data. But in a government or defense or intelligence type of use case, there's an enormous requirement to make sure that classified information, unclassified, secret, top secret, and other important information remains secure and isolated and is only able to be viewed by those individuals who have authorization to view that information. And that's sort of what we've developed. It's what we've spent a lot of time in architecting our product to meet those requirements of keeping that information secure and isolated. So in our booth here, we're demonstrating a variety of products that are used in these sort of mission critical command and control environments. The certifications that we're showing here represent the fact that we've invested in having our products tested by the leading authorities around the world to ensure that they meet the standards and requirements of information security and data security. Tempest, which is related to electrical emanations, the ability to not be able to eavesdrop using electronic mechanisms on the data that's being transmitted through your system. The NATO Information Assurance Catalog describes the fact that our products are certified to be used within the NATO community in these secure environments. JITC is a U.S. Department of Defense certification that confirms that our products are interoperable with other secure products within the DoD infrastructure. And Common Criteria is an international certification specific to maintaining data security through the switching environment, which is something that we've architected. Again, we have very unique products designed specifically for these type of highly classified government, defense, intelligence, and homeland security applications. If you'd like to learn more about what we do, please visit our website, thinklogical.com, and we'd be very happy to talk to you about how we can help you solve some very complicated data security AV products.